Happy birthday, Sita. May you have more birthdays to come. Stay safe. At saka maraming mga pagkain. Hi Sita, good evening. Happy birthday to you. How are you? How long not see all your stuff, the Motor City. Take care.
Hi Ate Sita! Good morning! Happy birthday to you! Wish you good health, more blessings to come, and many more years to celebrate. Enjoy your day Ate Sita! Bye-bye! Miss you!
Hello, how are you, Ate Sita? Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Sita. Happy birthday. Good health and keep safe. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Sita, I wish you all the best. Mm, happy birthday. More blessings, good health, and stay safe, stay young. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Ate Sita, happy birthday po! Ilang taon ka na? Wishing you more birthdays to come. Good health and wealth, ate. Siyempre.
Happy birthday, ate. Sana marami pang birthday na dadating sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Ate. Gandang gabi po. Ate, today is your birthday. Happy birthday po. Hiling ko lang good health at stay pretty, keep smiling. At isang sa number one na pinagpapasalamat ko, yung pagiging friendship mo sa aking asawa na si Michelle. Sa tuwing ikaw nag-crave ng food, hindi ka nakakalimot na mag-share ba sa mga kaibigan mo. Salamat eh. Salamat. Happy birthday again and stay sweet. Good. Bigyan ka ng ama ng good health at wag sanang magbabago, ate. Laging naka-smile. Once again, te, happy birthday po. Bye-bye.
Hi Ate Sita! Happy birthday to you! Sana ma-enjoy mo ang iyong celebration today. At sana wish ko sa'yo, bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, good health, tsaka lalo ka pang i-bless at sana ibigay yung mga lahat ng mga wini-wish mo. Sana more food pa. Thank you sa mga pagpapatikim mo sa amin ng mga niluluto mo na masasarap. At thank you rin tayo sa pagiging mabuti mo sa aming mag-asawa. Happy birthday ulit eh. Enjoy your day. Bye!
Hi sister, happy birthday. I wish you always good health and enjoy your journey. Happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday, Sita. Wishing you have a wonderful birthday to come. And always good, pretty, and good health. Saka, salamat sa invite mo sa akin sa birthday mo. At lucky ako na meron akong kaibigan na katulad mo. You're the best. Keep your good behavior sa mga kaibigan. Salamat ng marami. Love you.
Hi Ate Sita! Happy birthday to you! May you have many more years to celebrate and enjoy your day. God bless you. Stay pretty as you are, outside and inside. We love you. God bless ate!